SIA Alumni President, Vice Mayor Attorney Bernardine Lucas, Sir, to our School District Supervisor, Madam Elvie Di Guillermo, Ma'am, to the Board of Trustees headed by Engineer Edelson C. De La Cruz, Sir, to our Resilient School Director, Sir Eduardo C. De La Cruz II, Sir, our Diligent School Principal, Joshelle C. Evangelista, Ma'am, our dedicated Assistant Principal for Senior High School, Ma'am Rolena R. de Guzman, our passionate Assistant Principal for Junior High School, Ma'am Sharon S. De La Cruz, to our hardworking teachers, supportive parents, friends, guests, a blessed day to all of you. Today, our batch stands at the threshold of a new chapter, a new beginning, one that calls us not only to dream, but to lead. As we celebrate our achievements, we are also reminded of a deeper responsibility captured in our theme, a leader with competence and Christian character. Our K-12 journey is challenging, but offers a lot of opportunities to learn and grow. Here at SIA, many might not know this, but I've always been scared of speaking in front of others. It's one of my biggest weaknesses before. Kapag nasa harap ako ng madaming tao, I often feel sick, nahihilo, nanginginig. And it's like my mind completely stops working. Kahit nga simpleng introduce yourself lang or pagre-report sa subject ni Ma'am Hani, I can't help but cry. Sino ba namang hindi maiiyak? Hindi pa nga nagsisimula yung reporting, ginigisa ka na ng mga mata niya Tapos, hindi pa matapos-tapos yung mga tanong niyang akala mo pang final defense? Panelist yarn? It might sound ironic, but I've experienced that. But thanks to SIA for the countless opportunities to speak and use my voice. That weakness no longer hinders me, but pushes me to use my voice and inspire others to use theirs as well. If you are scared to speak in front of others, then do it scared. Let your voice crack. Let your legs shake. Let others judge you. But do it anyway, and do it all with your heart. Because one day, when you're standing on stage in front of thousands of people, you will remember that moment. You will remember that fear. And you will tell yourself, I did it. Because you never know, right now, you might be speaking in front of small crowds. But one day, you will stand in stages and use your voice to make a difference. When I was in grade 11, Ma'am Princess trusted me to be the SIA Gems Editor-in-Chief. At first, I have full of doubts about myself when she first asked me if I'm willing to be the EIC. Ano pa bang isasagot ko sa tanong ni Ma'am na yes or yes? Of course, I had to accept the responsibility for me to train and learn. But thanks to SIA for giving us countless opportunities to speak. Leadership is often mistaken for power, recognition, or authority. But as we have learned throughout our journey, true leadership goes far beyond titles. It is built on two essential pillars, competence and character. SIA taught us to do things right. It is the knowledge we have gained from the countless lessons, the skills we have sharpened through challenges, and the resilience we have developed through failures. It is staying up late to meet deadlines, asking questions when we do not understand, and striving for excellence when no one is watching. Competence equips us to face the complexities of the world with confidence and capability. But competence alone is not enough. Each of us has a unique character. We need to cherish and embrace our unique individuality guided by our Christian teachings. Fellow graduates, I am here speaking in front of you as your representative and as your voice. As graduates, we are not just recipients of knowledge, we are bearers of responsibility. The world we are entering is filled with challenges, inequality, uncertainty, and rapid change. It needs leaders who are not only capable, but also principled. Leaders who will not compromise their value for success. Leaders who will use their competence to uplift others and their character to guide their decisions. I know it will take more than a lifetime, but I want to become a student of knowledge. As we continue our journey, let us remember the lessons we have learned beyond this classroom, the friendships we have built, the failures that strengthened us, and the values that shaped us. Always remember, success doesn't start big. It starts small, uncomfortable, and uncertain beginnings. Yet every step is important. Every story on the way is worth to learn. And more importantly, success is never achieved alone. It is the product of the grueling hard work and unending support of those who stayed with us throughout our journey. And so to those people, we extend our deepest thanks to all of you. To our parents, family, and relatives, thank you so much for the unyielding love and support. To our teachers, thank you for your guidance. To Sir Emil, our class advisor, thank you for supporting our class. Naalala ko pa sir, nung sinabi mo sa amin dati na hindi kami star section, mukha kaming asteroid. Kahit na palagi mong sinasabi na wala kang paki sa amin, hindi namin malilimutan yung times na sinamahan mo kami sa every journey namin bawat as a class. Thank you for checking up on us kapag late na kaming umuwi dahil sa practice or sa pagde-decorate sa room. Thank you for pushing us to set goals, for encouraging us to join competitions, and for supporting us sa mga kalokohan namin. Pero kahit na sinasabayan mo kami sa trippings namin, sir, hindi ka pa rin nagkulang sa pagpapaalala sa amin na maging mabubuti, karespe-respeto, at mababait na mga bata. Salamat sa lahat, sir. To Ma'am Alma, our GEMS advisor, thank you for sharing your love and passion in arts, photography, and teaching. Thank you po sa guidance, patience, and encouragement sa aming GEMS to use our talents. To my science, quiz bee, and chess coach, Ma'am Melody, thank you po ma'am, hindi lang sa paghahatid sa akin sa mga competition venues or sa mga free meriendas, but also for making sure na maganda ang experience ko for every competition. To all our teachers and past teachers, thank you and thank you po. Makalimutan man namin kung paano isolve ang value ni X, or kung ilang chromosomes ang nasa katawan namin, hindi namin malilimutan yung mga moments na pinaalala niyo sa amin that you're proud of us. Thank you po, ma'am and sir. To our alma mater, Southern Isabela Academy, ang naging tahanan namin for 6 years, ang naghubog sa amin at nagpalago ng aming Christian faith. Thank you sa lahat ng convocation, music jams, and every opportunity that made us closer to God. I am deeply grateful. And most importantly, to our Almighty God, I am grateful for staying with me through all my trials, for guiding me in my decisions in life, and for gracing me with forgiveness every time I fall short of your goodness. I wouldn't be here without you. Thank you so much, Lord. Kung mayroon man akong gustong maalala nyo sa pagkahaba-habang speech na ito, it is this. In everything that you do, always remember, your audience ay walang iba kundi si Lord. Kung huhusgahan man kayo ng mga tao, let them. Let their words pass from one ear to another. Because in everything that you do, put God first, and He will direct you and crown your efforts with success. Pagkatapos nitong graduation, kanya-kanya na tayong journey sa buhay. Let's move forward with gratitude and courage. Magpakatatag tayong lahat at ihanda ang ating sarili sa mga pagsubok. Nang sa ganon ay magtagumpay ang bawat isa sa batch natin. Good luck to our batch 2026. May we lead with both competence and character. Congratulations!
Thank you, Trinity, for sharing your stories behind this remarkable success.